Hello people, this is Special Effects Guy 1 and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an awesome lightsaber effect for free. We will be using two free programs, Blender and Wax 2.0. If you don't have them, you can download them for free from the internet. Just Google them and then you can just get them on your computer and you can use them then. Alright, so we want to go ahead and open up Blender and just press the little key to delete your square or cube. And what we want to do, we want to have a video, the video of the lightsaber battle or whatever in the background, so we can animate a lightsaber on top of it. So you want to go to view and click background image, then hit use background image, then you want to click and select the blend down to 0, and then press load and select your video wherever it may be. Alright, so now I have my video in the background now. So now what we want to do, we want to set our animation up so it's the same size, frame rate, and all that good stuff as our video. So you want to go to animation, you want to actually wait, not yet, go to model and look how many frames there are. In mine there's 442. So now go to animation and here where it says end, click in it, backspace, and go 4, 4, 2, or however long yours is. So now they're the same length. Now you want to go and click this little scene button, and I'm going to go here, and we're going to make this QuickTime, which works best for me. Now you want to adjust your frames per second. You want to put in here whatever your camera takes. Mine is 60 frames per second, so I'm going to put 60 in this box. Everything else should be good, and then just hit OK. Now it's the same frame rate. And now here you want to put it the same size. Mine is an HD camera, so it's going to be 1280 pixels wide and 720 pixels tall. You put in here whatever the size your camera takes. Okay, so now we have same size and frame rate. So now if we go back here to model, we want to click auto refresh. Now when we move the frames of our animation, it will move the video in the background the same speed. Now the camera is where the computer will see it when you finish it, so you want to align this up. So if you hit 1 on your keypad and then 5 to pop up a little grid, it will take you to the front view. Now you go to view and you go to align view and then align active camera to view. Now your camera is from the front view, so now when you render it, this is what's going to pop up, like from this angle, so that if the camera was where it was before and you're adding your lightsaber onto it and you're looking at the front view, it would be off angle. So now our camera's lined up. So now you want to right click on your camera so it's highlighted in pink and click on the little sphere. Now what we're going to do, we're going to basically make a green screen in Blender, except it's going to be black. So now that the background's black, if you hit render current frame, you can see this is all black. That's because it's all there is right now. So you can just X out of that. So now something that you always want to do is whenever you do something, you make progress, you always want to save it in case something goes wrong, then you won't lose your progress. So you just hit hit save, and you want to type in what you want it to save as. So I'm going to do lightsaber. I'm just going to do me, whatever. And you always have to have .blend on the end. And if you hit these two little arrows, you can select where it saves to. I'm just going to go to save it onto my desktop. Now save as. And then, yep. So now, whenever we do something, say we just made some progress, you just go File, Save, and then just select that, and your progress is saved. Alright, so far so good. So, now that to move the frames of your animation and of the video now, if you hold the Alt key and scroll down, it'll move it forward. So as you can see, there is where I just start sticking my little lightsaber out. If you scroll up, it goes backwards. There's a much easier way to do this, but we don't have an object yet, but we will next time. So this concludes part 1. Now you have your camera and everything's ready to go, and you're ready to start making your awesome lightsaber effect. So don't forget to save. This is Special Effects Guy 1, and join next time for part 2 of making your awesome free lightsaber effect.